Welcome. In this video I will explain how to fix GPS signal issues on Garmin Forerunner 70. So the first and easiest solution to make your GPS work properly is to simply go outside with a clear view of the sky. So take the watch outdoors before starting your activity and avoid standing nearby tall buildings or dense trees or mountains, covered areas, and keep the watch still while it searches for satellites. So the first GPS connection after a long time reset or software update can also take several minutes, so be prepared for it. Then also wait for your GPS to lock before starting an activity. So first press start stop and select your activity and wait for your GPS indicator until it shows you that it has acquired satellites. Now, it's not gonna happen in my case because I'm in a building and I'm pretty sure the GPS won't reach here because I tried it with several other devices and they always failed until I actually went outside. And after that, start your activity once the GPS has actually located you. Now the next step would be connecting your watch with your Garmin Connect application. Now to connect your watch, you have to simply tap Synchronize and synchronize your watch with your smartphone. If they are synchronized, you will see the green indicator in the top right corner of your watch on your smartphone. Then also check the GPS settings. Simply go to More menu in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then check Settings. In Settings, go to System. I'm actually not sure if we can do this through the smartphone. Oops, I don't think we can do this. Okay, so on your smartphone, hold down the middle left key and swipe down to Watch Settings. And here, let's scroll down to System. Now in System, we should be able to find a software update. Now check for updates and let your watch be updated with Bluetooth via Bluetooth. So right now it's checking for available updates. Make sure to keep your smartphone unlocked and let your device check for available updates. If it finds one, let it download and install it. Okay, so my watch didn't find any updates. So now the last troubleshooting step would be restarting our watch, which we can do by holding down the top left key and then selecting power off using the green button. Now we're gonna have to restart it. Let's hold down the start stop button. The watch should vibrate slightly. Okay, so it's restarting. And after that, your issue should be gone, at least in a while. But if it's not helping you, then the last resort step would be performing a factory reset on your device. Of course, after you perform all the backups, you can watch the guide for performing factory reset operation on your watch on our YouTube channel. And for this video, that will be all. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.